L222. Oh, look at that. Nice. All right, so we're going to look at L222. It's a mini suite. As soon as you come in, let's start on the deck and then work our way back. So we're going to walk right through the living room and bedroom. But this is the bed initially. Nice and big. Nice lighting at the top. Kind of recessed lighting, which is really cool. And lamps on each side with drawers. Same thing on this side. You actually got two back to back, and this pulls out into a bed. It also has a drop down bed from the top, but I think we're just going to do the couch. Sleeping in this room. Lights here. Just a heads up. And drawers here. There as well. There is the couch. Desk area, little shelves on each side. Hair dryer in the top. Nice big desk area. Does have the European and then the US plug. And looks like lighting is on this side with the telephone. Turn the lights on for everybody. You got a TV on this side, chair, coffee table, couch that turns into a bed if I'm not mistaken. You also have a TV on this side. These curtains will pull to kind of have some separation. So our son will probably stay on this side, we'll stay on that side. We're stepping out to the deck. My wife and son are out there already. And we are still in port in Seattle. So this is our, it only comes with 2 chairs. It does have a nice little table here. There is 3 of us, so one other person will have to sit on, like Michelle's sitting on that one. It's not a very wide deck. This is Seattle. Yeah, going down Alaska would be nice. Holland America right beside us. The Euro Dam. All right, so let's go look at the bathroom, which usually is the first place. This is a connecting room, even though we don't know the person beside us. Somebody's got this on really hot too with your temperature control. I'm cutting this down a little bit till my wife says something about that. It was all the way to the top for hot, and I'm sweating already. Cool area here to put your, your wallet, your lanyard, different things like that. Also, they have a hook on the wall there. Full length mirror here as well. Floor to ceiling, basically. Really nice. Let's cut the light on in here. Whoop, that was the bathroom. There has to be a light here as well. There we go. So now we have the lights here. You got your vest on the top, life vest, little clothing area, hangers. Also have a nice dresser here to put all your clothes, or like shelving anyway. Really nice. I already put my bag over here. There's your princess laundry. And let's shut this door. Let's take a look at the bathroom. So So again, this is a mini suite. You got to watch your step here. But yes, nice white countertops. A little bit of that lime green hint to it. This is a tub, so you do have to step up and in. That may be difficult for some people, maybe difficult for my wife because she's vertically challenged, but that's okay. Let's look at it and see. It does have the handrails, which is nice, you know, getting up and in. It's got the towels already up on the racks. It's got your clothesline here and additional adjustable height. You do have your shampoo and body wash here as well. You also got another handle here. So this is like a garden tub in here. You can see that and that. So yeah, another towel rack, a toilet, trash can. You have additional outlets here in case you got electric shaver. But nice storage and plenty of storage underneath. I like that in case you want to put some stuff up underneath there on the bottom. So yeah, I think we're gonna like this. Two hooks here for your robe or your clothes. But I like this little nook here to keep your clothes up and out of the way. So tell us what you think. Anthony's coming in. But yeah, nice big, decent sized room, right, Ant? All right, so part of our room tour is like, this is my computer area set up. This is next last day of the cruise. But there are night lights in here. So as you move near them, the light will cut on. Really like that on this cruise. Also, I don't think I showed you Anthony's setup, our son. This is the sofa bed that turns into a bed, or the sofa that turns into a bed. And also there is night lights with it as well. Well, maybe I need to have the light switch on. I know my side does it.
My side does too.
Yeah, my wife's side does. I thought that does as well, but evidently, I don't know. Maybe I gotta have a switch on. But those do come on, and also we'll show you the other side does as well. Really like that. One thing, there's no USBs. I wish they'd change out these lamps, which has an on and off switch. And also you have all your switches back here in the back for the room. You can basically cut everything on. Now the room is like super bright, plus light up there, or you can cut them all off. And that dimmed a lot of them. But also there is in the hallway, it's gonna stay on now because this door is open. Don't look at our dirty clothes. But this light should go off. Okay, the night light in the hallway is off. But if you get up in the middle of the night, you go to the bathroom. As soon as you get about right here, somewhere right here. There, boom. It cuts on, so which is kind of cool too. This is in the bathroom to the left. Also, don't forget, if somebody's in there, you hit this switch, it'll cut the light off on the person in there. You don't want to do that. We've had that happen a couple of times, so just FYI on that. And you do have to have this in for the light system, just overall, just a heads up on that. All right, tell us what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Lovey's Fat Life. We've always done Carnival, but this cruise series is going to be on going to Alaska out of Seattle on the Royal Princess. Mini suite room L222.